Now, itong vaping, sabi nila, is electronic. Don't give me that shit. Better stop it because I will order your arrest if you do it in a room. I am now ordering the law enforcement agencies to arrest anybody, ang tawag niyan, vaping in public. That is like smoking. Cannot do it inside the room. That's full of shit. You contaminate people na hindi na pala panahong mamatay. You know why? Mabuti pa ang sigarilyo kasi the confirmed toxic thing that causes harm to people. Nakalagay dyan yung nicotine. Itong vaping, it contains nicotine and other chemicals that